Step 26. Connect the beams 14 and 13. The ends, connect them to the top pair of holes to the panels 21R1 and 21R2. You use the nuts and bolts for these connections. Use the nuts and bolts. Connect them to the top two. I have this pliers that I use to hold the nuts in place while I use the screwdriver to tighten up the final tightening of the nuts and bolts. I also have these screwdrivers that are angled in case you need to reach somewhere that you have difficulty, but I did not need to. So that's step 26.